to the most happening part of Justin Scoop Mini Buzz. Yes, the buzz where a tiny star shine bright with talent and confidence. This week was full of creativity and expressions. Students took part in storytelling and poem recitation. Every story had a spark of imagination. Every poem had rhythm, voice, and emotion. Such activities build confidence, creativity, and communication skills in our young learners. Truly, these tiny tots are growing into confident speakers and dreamers.
Do you want more? No, no. Do you want more? No, no. Who little he was, he did a war. One leg beat one leg ball.
So keep watching Mini Buzz, where little voices make big impressions. See you soon.
A tuneful hello and welcome to Twin Times, the sparkling beat of Celestian School.
Today we are tuning into the rhythm of BZS music classes, where melodies are born and dreams take rhythm.
Here at BZS, music isn't just thought, it's felt. Let's hear straight from our young Zestians.
Every class, a concert, every note, a heartbeat, every rhythm, a smile.
Because at BZS, music isn't a subject, it's a soulful journey. Tell us, what makes the guitar so special?
Guitar creates magic with its string. It adds melody, rhythm, and mood to every song.
What's special about this Congo?
Congo adds life, energy, and power. It makes everyone move to the beat.
Let's move to the Western instrument, clapbox. So, what do you know about clapbox?
Clapbox is a wooden box which you sit on it and play by tapping its front surface.
Can you share what tabla adds to our music?
Tabla brings the energy and it's the heartbeat of Indian rhythm.
And you say, what harmonium adds to our Indian music?
The harmonium gives depth and tone. It carries the soul of every rag.
So sing with joy, play with grace.
As music is a mirror of every bright face.
Stay tuned for more rhythmic tales only on Twin Times.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Senior Scoop. Today we take you into the world of artificial intelligence.
Yes, a special AI awareness session was conducted by Mr. Yogesh Sharma from NIAT Hyderabad on 7th of November. This session was organized especially for our bright students of classes 11th and 12th.
The workshop aimed to make students understand how AI is changing our world, from smart machines to global learning. Every topic sparked curiosity.
Students learned how AI connects the future, innovation, and real-life applications. It was not just a lecture, it was a door to the future.
The enthusiasm of students made the session even more interactive and fun. Everyone walked out inspired to explore the world of AI further.
Every year, more than to not between 10 to 15 lakhs graduate में जाते हैं. NVIDIA के CEO है, ठीक है? इन्होंने क्यों बोला coding is going to die? Because आपको पहले पता था कि पहले टेक्नोलॉजी क्या थी और
So stay tuned for more learning, fun, and inspirations.
Only on Celestian Scoop, where curiosity meets creativity.
Hi. What are you doing?
Hey, we are preparing for Kids Carnival.
When it is happening?
You don't know, it's on 15th of November. It's going to be fun.
Oh, seems interesting to hear. What is going to happen?
The fair will have activities like bouncy, face painting, food stalls, games, and much more.
Wow.
Now, let's hear from our house in charges about the preparations.
Hello everyone, myself Rajeshwari Rathod and I am the adjutant of House Avni. Today I am going to tell you the game which is presented by our house, which is Grab the Gift. There are you going to get 3 chances. You just need to basically throw a ring and you will grab the gift. There are some gifts lying on the table. You just need to throw a ring and the gift which come inside the ring, you will grab it. So enjoy your Kids Carnival and grab more and more gifts. Thank you everyone.
So hello everyone, my name is Manyo Dawat and I am the adjutant of Vayu House. So today I am explaining you the game which Vayu House is presenting in the Kids Carnival. So the game name is Spin the Wheel. Firstly, you have to spin the wheel, and there are each sections of prizes such as a sweet treat or a toy, and then you can grab that.
I'm really excited. Are you? Yeah, me too. Save the date 15th of November at our own visitor school. See you there.